Hello and welcome to yet another DigiBytes episode. Today, we dive into the world of influencer marketing, a tactic that has transformed the way brands are interacting with their target audiences. Harnessing the power of influencers has proven to be a game changer in the fast-paced world of marketing. Consider this: an influencer, or somebody with a large social media following, has been able to build a special rapport and trust with their audiences. This gives them the power and potential to capture that audience and enhance and influence their shopping decisions. Whether it's a beauty guru reviewing skincare products or a tech guru displaying the latest technologies. Setting clear objectives before embarking on an influencer marketing campaign is very critical. Are you looking to drive sales, boost brand awareness, or just boost your internet presence? Whatever your goals are, laying them out clearly will give you the framework for a successful and focused influencer marketing campaign. Now consider a fitness business that wants to drive and increase their online sales. Their goal would be conversions, whereas a newly launched eyewear brand would want to drive brand recognition through influencer endorsements. Influencer selection. The art of selecting the right influencers is key for any successful influencer marketing campaign. Dive into complexities like relevancy, audience demographics, engagement rate, and value alignment. Micro-influencers with a niche following can sometimes outperform huge celebrity endorsements. Now imagine a local bakery collaborating with a neighborhood food blogger. Her audiences will be genuinely interested in the company's products, which has the potential to dramatically increase the campaign's impact. Creating genuine and appealing content. The crown gem is content, a notion that rings true in influencer marketing. It is critical to collaborate with influencers to create authentic and captivating content that smoothly blends in your brand message. Imagine this: a travel influencer leads their audiences to a virtual tour, flawlessly integrating all your brand's travel essentials. The content is interesting, organic, and adds value to their following. Measuring impact, budgeting, and legal consideration. A strategic approach is vital as your campaign evolves. The key metrics to track are reach, engagement rate, website traffic, and conversions. Social media analytic tools, for example, will provide you with significant data regarding your influencer relationships. Also keep in mind, flexibility is your ally throughout the campaign. Based on feedback and data, adapt and optimize. Further, budgeting is essential. Influencer campaigns can range from very little to very large. Resource allocation should be done based on your goals and objectives. The final leg is legal clarity. Create detailed legal contracts determining the terms of your partnership, content rights, and compensation. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more DigiByte content.